What is up, YouTube? Markicks coming at you with another video. I'm making this video right after I just recorded my Yeezy slide sizing update. If you haven't watched that, watch it. So while I'm in the upset mood, I was like, I might as well just make another video. And this one is to tell you that Yeezy slides and Yeezy foam runners are the worst shoe in the history of the world. That was dramatic. They're just not it's not a very good shoe, guys. If you want a slide, if you want a Yeezy foam runner, if you want that, the worst part about these shoes, look at that, man. The lighting's good, but you can still tell. Look at that. You want to see something even worse? Cool Yeezy slide, right? False. And the camera's doing it. The light's doing a better job. Look, I'll block the light. Look, man. It looks like I've been running through coal all day. Hold on, bro. Hold on. It looks like I've been, I don't know, taking these to work on the freaking assembly line. Like, I don't know what's going on, man. This is not okay. Look, man. I'm telling you. I don't know what it is. I hate bottoms that do this, bro. And it's like, it's awful, bro. I'm telling you, it's bad. So you just get this black film on the bottom of your shoe so you look crazy. And this happened after one wear. I haven't wore the slides outside. I probably wore those outside maybe 5 times. Legit. And that's what they look like. The foam runners, I just do casual stuff. Like if I go to Target or I don't freaking know. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not walking around New York subway system. I'm literally just go to Target, go to freaking the mall for 5 seconds, and this is what they look like. God, this light. It's the light that's doing it. Hold on. Look, I turned off the light. This is what they look like, bro. This is what they look like. It's awful. It's awful. It's bad. So that's what I'm saying. Yeezy foam runners, Yeezy slides, they're just not that great of a shoe in terms of the longevity of these shoes. They look awful after a couple wears. So when you're walking and people are looking at your feet, you kick one foot up, they're like, ugh, that boy been beating that boy been rocking these. He wore those for the past 100 days. And I'm like, no, this is my 3rd time wearing them. They look awful. It's just not very good. It's not good. It's the material, I know, but it's not good. It's not good. Like, I got Jordans that I've worn a lot more. Lance Mountain, Jordans. I've wore these so much. Bottoms. Look good, don't they? That's what I'm saying. I know it's the material. I know it's the difference, but the bottoms, boom. Boom, boom, black. You can't tell. I'm telling you, you can't tell because of this freaking light and this freaking camera. But I promise you, the bottoms look awful, bro. They look so bad. They look, man, it's frustrating. So that's what I'm saying. So in terms of the foam runners and in terms of the Yeezy slides, if you want pairs that will last long and they won't look awful after a couple wears, you're gonna have to go and cop the black ones and cop the black foam runners, both Onyx, I believe is what they call them. And then also there's the dark blue foam runner that kind of looks black. So at the end of the day, you honestly could just cop whichever one's cheaper, the black or the dark blue. They both look black, honestly. This looks freaking black. And yeah, but look at the bottoms of these. You can't really tell that they're beat up or anything because just the color. So if you get the light color, that's the problem. We all want the cream color Yeezy Foam Runner. That's the one I have. It looks real good. And then you wear it a couple times and it looks trash. Same with the Yeezy Slide. The Yeezy Slide Bone or the other cream color, whitish colors. They look awful after a couple wears. So just keep that in mind when you're copping these. It's not the best. Not the best. Not the best. But yeah. Haven't ranted in a while. So about time y'all got one. Warriors 2-2. Stay tuned. We're winning the championship and I will be back.